숨쉬듯이 영어.
Acquisition, affiliate, arbitration, benchmark, bid, blue chip, board of directors, bottleneck, brand equity, break even, capital gain, cash reserve, contingency plan, core competency, corporate governance, cost-benefit analysis, cross-functional, debt-to-equity ratio, deliverable, deregulation, dividend yield, due diligence, earnings per share (EPS), economic indicator, economies of scale, equity financing, exchange rate, fiscal policy, fixed asset, hostile takeover, human capital, intellectual property, inventory turnover, investment portfolio, just-in-time JIT, key performance indicator, KPI, leverage, liquidity, market capitalization, market penetration, market share, merger, microeconomics, monetary policy, mortgage, net present value (NPV), operational efficiency, outsourcing, overhead cost, paradigm shift, performance appraisal, preferred stock, profit margin, project management, public relations, purchasing power, quality assurance, regulatory compliance, return on investment, ROI, risk management, sales forecast, scalability, securities, shareholder value, social responsibility, stakeholder, strategic alliance, supply chain, sustainable development, SWOT analysis, synergy, target market, telecommuting, total quality management, TQM, trade deficit, trademark, transaction, treasury bond, turnaround strategy, value chain, venture capital, vertical integration, volatility, wholesale, working capital, zero-sum game, corporate culture, customer retention, demand elasticity, disruptive innovation, economies of scope, enterprise resource planning, ERP, fiscal year, foreign exchange, horizontal integration, intangible asset, intellectual capital, market segmentation, organizational behavior, profit and loss statement, P&L, accounts payable, accounts receivable, accrual basis, acquisition cost, advertising campaign, after-sales service, aggregate demand, aggregate supply, amortization, annual report, asset allocation, audit trail, balance sheet, bankruptcy proceedings, base salary, bear market, bid price, bill of lading, board meeting, bondholder, break-even analysis, budget deficit, business cycle, business entity, buyout, callable bond, capital expenditure, capital structure, cash flow statement, certificate of deposit, chartered accountant, chief executive officer CEO, chief financial officer CFO, collateral, commercial paper, competitive advantage, compound interest, consumer confidence, corporate strategy, cost of goods sold, COGS, coupon rate, credit rating, credit risk, cross-selling, currency exchange rate, customer satisfaction, debt financing, default risk, depreciation expense, direct investment, discretionary income, dividend payout ratio, dollar cost averaging, double entry bookkeeping, earnings growth, economic recession, efficiency ratio, electronic funds transfer, EFT, employee benefits, enterprise value, environmental scan, exchange traded fund ETF, executive summary, expense ratio, fair market value, financial accounting, financial leverage, fiscal cliff, fixed costs, foreign direct investment, FDI, forward contract, futures market, general ledger, goodwill, gross domestic product, GDP, hedge fund, human resources, income statement, industrial espionage, inflation rate, insider trading, internal rate of return IRR, inventory management, investment banker, leverage buyout LBO, line of credit, liquidity ratio, management information system MIS, market analysis, market value, material requirements planning, MRP, minority interest, mutual fund, net asset value NAV, operating income, opportunity cost, organizational structure, over-the-counter OTC, payback period, per capita income, performance metrics, personal loan, point of sale POS, portfolio management, price elasticity, private equity, public company, purchasing power parity, PPP, quarterly report, rate of return, real estate investment trust, RIT, recession, retained earnings, return on assets ROA, return on equity ROE, risk assessment, sales revenue, secured loan, service level agreement, SLA, short selling, simple interest, sole proprietorship, solvency ratio, standard deviation, stock option, strategic management, structured finance, subprime mortgage, supply chain management, sustainable development, tax avoidance, tax evasion, taxable income, total assets, trade credit, treasury stock, triple bottom line, turnover rate, underwriter, unemployment rate, unit cost, unsecured loan, value proposition, variable costs, venture capitalist, vertical merger, wealth management, whistleblower, yield curve, zero-based budgeting, zone pricing, amortization schedule, backorder, bad debt, balance of trade, business model, contingency fund, corporate bond, cost structure, credit terms, current account, deferred income, demand forecasting, direct costs, discretionary spending, dividend reinvestment plan, DRIP, double taxation, equity fund, expense account, fiduciary duty, financial intermediary, fiscal stimulus, fixed interest rate, foreign investment, forward integration, goodwill amortization, greenfield investment, hedge ratio, incremental cost, industrial output, inflation adjusted, interest coverage ratio, interlocking directorate, investment grade, inventory valuation, joint stock company, letter of credit, leverage finance, letter, license, management, executive summary, strategic planning session, market positioning, operations director, official correspondence, negotiation, objective, corporate headquarters, organization.
수고하셨습니다. 매일매일 반복하시면 좋은 결과를 얻을 거예요. 심화학습을 원하시면 관련 쇼츠를 참고하세요.